What is LockBit ransomware? LockBit ransomware is the malicious software designed to block user access to computer system in exchange of ransom payment. LockBit will automatically wait for the valuable targets, spread the infection and encrypt accessible computer system on network. The majority of LockBit victims have been either small or medium-sized businesses. LockBit ransomware enters your network in a variety of ways. The most popular is a download spam email attachment. The downloads then launches the ransomware program attack to your system. Any person or entity can fall victim to LockBit ransomware, but there are the key factors that make local government agencies and frequent targets of attack. LockBit operators mostly gain access to compromised servers or RDP account that usually obtained from affiliates. A new report from CyberEdge Group goes into a detail on why businesses are more keen to pay off ransomware attack and what can be done to increase cybersecurity. The cyber criminals behind this infection demand ransom payment for the described tools. During the encryption process, LockBit renames the files with ABCD extension